In this procedure, we will be inspecting the dump valve and coil on a power gear motorized hydraulic leveling system. The tools required for this procedure are 2 wires, a screwdriver, and a drill battery.
Now we can come over and check our dump valves and those coils. So here we have the leg valves and the dump valve. So this dump valve, if your system's having difficulty retracting or extending the jacks, you can come to check the dump valve. This should be all the way tightened. You can see you can turn it counterclockwise and open the valve manually. This is a sign that the dump valve is open, and you could have left it open doing a manual override procedure. To remedy this, you would just simply close this. And that's how that dump valve is closed. But since we have this cap off, we can disconnect this coil, remove the coil, and we can test this coil now. So to test the coil, you'll begin by inserting a screwdriver into the center of this coil. You'll take some wires and insert them into the terminals of the battery. One side will always be positive. Being careful with these wires, make sure that they don't touch. The other side negative. And then when you insert these wires into the wire harness of this coil, it should activate that coil and hold on to the screwdriver. Make sure you disconnect your wires from that battery. And now that we tested the coil, we know that it's not the coil that's malfunctioning, and we need to check the valve for any blockage. Let's replace this coil. Reconnect our wire harness and replace that cap at the top of the coil. These caps are not orderable separate from the coil system.